Everything starts with our goats. Their race isn't race at all, it's potential. Out here, manure becomes compost, and compost becomes life. Our goat lives in a raised bed shelter with slatted wood flooring, designed with a purpose. As the goat warm and bed down, their manure drops straight through the half-inch floor gaps. Below the shelter, we collect pure dry droppings with minimal bedding, perfect for composting. This setup saves time, reduces contamination, we layer it in windows, browns and greens, wet and dry. Every wheelbarrow full is a building block, a pile of yesterday's waste on its way to becoming tomorrow's soil. When the heat kicks in, the microbes gets to work. Thermometers tells us it's alive. Bacteria, fungi, bugs, all breaking it down into black gold. After weeks of care, the compost is ready. We add it to raised beds, fruit trees, and garden rows. It holds moisture, feeds life, and changes everything under our feet. This is what we are growing, not just vegetables, but soils that last, soil that resists drought, soil that stores carbon, soil that heals. On weekends, 150 miles from the city, we do this work. Not because it's easy, but because it's worth it. Join us, subscribe to Natural No Farm, and grow something that matters.
Alright, we are going to see an update of the okra that I planted a few how they're doing. Let's go take a look. Well, from the start, let me get rid of this weed. Alright, from the start, it looks like the jackrabbit doesn't like the okra. So they don't eat the okra, it's still there. See, all the rows that I planted the okra are still there doing good. Need some fertilizer and they're too close to each other. But the jute leaves, man, they love the jute leaves. They ate everything. Because when I first came there last week, I remember I was showing you guys jute leaf was all over here, right? Now as the jute leaves getting older, so if I had a whole row of jute leaves that was right here, you see where they come? This is where they come and ate the head of the jute leaves. They ate everything up. When I said they ate everything up, they ate everything up. That means they love jute leaves. So I gotta find a way to fence this off. I gotta find a way to fence this off so I can stop them from eating the jute leaves. But man, they just ate everything up.